Right? And we have 240 grams of bread flour. Okay? And then, as you can see here with our water, we have our water weight here. It's about, the volume here is about 400 milliliters. Okay? Okay. You don't have to do that. Then our yeast. And I like to just give that a little mix. Make sure it's distributed evenly as much as possible. Right? Then we go ahead and we add our water. I like to add it all at once. Okay, so we want this to be smooth, no lumps, okay? Not like grandma's gravy, okay? No lumps. Okay, and really, you cannot over mix this at all because no, I said no. It's not possible to over mix this. You can mix it hard, nice and hard, right? So what we're gonna do right now, it's about 4 o'clock. This is gonna really sit for maybe another 5-6 hours. Maybe it'll be it for our sponge. Okay. And 40 grams of bread flour, plus a little for dusting our work surface. Okay, so add this flour mixture to my sponge here. Let's get all that goodness in there. Then the first thing I like to do is to start incorporating this flour into the sponge. Sponge is really wet, right? So this flour is gonna have to get incorporated into it. It's gonna come a point where this sponge is starting to come together. What I like to generally do is get this in kind of a flattened way. Okay, so everything's kind of coming together here. You can still hands that are going to be moving around the hottie. Okay, so what I like to do is take 12 o'clock position and put it right in the middle. Press down. Rotate. Once again, 12 o'clock to the middle. Push down. Again, rotate. 12 o'clock. Push down. Rotate. 12 o'clock. Push down. And just get a rhythm going there. Rotate. 12 o'clock. Push. Push. Rotate. 12 to the middle. Push down. Rotate. 12 to the middle. Push. 3 minutes. It's starting to come together very well. It's not smooth, but still it came together pretty well. So the technique is that we're using the palm of your hand, push down, and you can use your body weight. If you want to do it for a while, you're going to be able to do it for a while. Okay guys, our dough has been kneaded, right? Looks like that. Yeah, on the bottom. Slow motion. That's good. Okay, so we're finished dunking these guys. So this cornmeal we're going to use, get your pan that you're going to go into the refrigerator with. This cornmeal is to keep it from sticking. Cornmeal. Rinse these so that they don't dry out overnight in the water. Then we take our 45-liter bag. Again, a new bag. Right. What about that? It's probably pretty good. You don't want the bag touching the surface of the dough at all. Okay. You don't have to tie it off. I usually don't. What I usually do is wrap it with a rubber band here. You stuck your finger in the middle, take them off your surface, come through, and just round them off the rest of the way.
親指を入れてくるくるっと回せばいい。これは普通の小麦粉ですね。
Yeah.
Okay.
Boil on the bottom sides.
そうやればすくってすぐに
You can see why we start them on the top side so that you want to just really put our hand, and then we just go into the oven, and that's it. Okay.
何分
We're gonna go in the oven. This oven
230度で
takes about 20 minutes. I like to start them on the low part of the oven for 9 minutes, and then the rest of the 9 minutes I rise them. Okay, our timer is going off. This is about the 20-minute mark. Let's see what we got. Oh. So we got our plain bagels. We just hit those with some egg wash. We have our everything. We put egg wash and our mixture of everything seasoning. And then we have our 2 mozzarella cheese bagels.